Hi everyone, today I will show you how you can create and host a website completely free on GitHub. So let's get right into it because this will only take 5 minutes. If you go onto your repositories on your GitHub profile, you can add a new repository. Here just enter your selected repository name, and then we will continue with a few other settings, like setting your project to public, which is very important because otherwise we cannot use GitHub Pages, and adding a README file for documentation. So now let's create this, and then we can click on code and copy our repository destination so we can put it into VS Code. Here we click on Clone GitHub Repository, enter our link that we just copied, and clone the repository. Just choose your repository destination on your computer and open it. Now we have our README file and can add a new index.html file. It's important that it's spelled exactly like this because GitHub will search for it. So since we are very lazy developers, let's just ask ChatGPT to give us an index.html file for a Fluid landing page, a personal Fluid landing page, which showcases 5 different projects. And let's see what it gives us. ChatGPT always puts the CSS code directly at the top. And after that, there's the content in the body. And yeah, that looks fine. So let's just go back up and copy the whole code segment. And then paste it into our index.html file. Now to get a preview of what ChatGPT has coded for us, we will just look for the live server extension and install it. I already have it installed, but if you do not, please do. So now go back to the index.html file, and down here we have Go Live. We'll just click it. And this is the page that ChatGPT has given us. So let's go back into the code and make some adjustments, like maybe color corrections. I don't like that light blue, so let's just change it to green, and maybe darker green, and change that blue as well. So you can see I can just select the colors right here, which is very practical. Nice feature that VS Code has. And now let's look what our preview has done. And we have changed the colors. And that's how simple it is. Just make your adjustments in the index.html file and then commit all your changes so you can find it in your GitHub repository again. And then go back to our GitHub repository page and refresh. You can see it has updated, and now we can go to the next step of the settings, where we can go to Pages and host our website. In branches, you just have to select main branch and save it. So once you have done that, you have to refresh a few times. I have fast forwarded so you can see which link to click. And this link works universally, so you can also see it when I put it in the incognito tab, that this will be visible for anyone. But if you do not want to have the domain name that GitHub has provided, I can also show you how it looks when you add your own domain name. This is a domain that I have. In the settings, you can see that I have added it down below here. And I have checked the box enforce HTTPS, which is also necessary. And I will link a video below that has helped me to get my DNS settings in order to publish this website. So just follow that tutorial as well, and I hope I could help you with creating new websites. Comment below if you created beautiful things with this technique, and I will be happy to see them.